sharing your family photos.
Jack, are these your family?
Yes, my family from back home.
Oh, lovely. Who is this man?
He is my older brother.
And the woman beside him?
His wife, what is she called?
You say sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law? Strange words together.
It means your brother's wife, basically.
Ah, so law means family by marriage?
Exactly. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, same idea.
These two children, what do I call?
Your brother's kids are nephews or nieces.
Nephew is boy, niece is girl?
Exactly right. Simple to remember.
I have many nephews. So easy.
And this older couple here,
My grandparents. They are very old.
we say elderly instead of very old.
Elderly sounds more respectful, yes?
Much more polite. Always use elderly.
Big family, all together, one word?
We say extended family.
Extended means beyond just parents, children.
Exactly. Aunts, uncles, cousins, all included.
My extended family is very big.
How many people exactly?
I stopped counting after 50, honestly.
50? That is one big reunion.
Weekend hobbies.
Lucy, what do you do on weekends?
I like to paint sometimes.
Really? Like canvas and brushes painting?
Yes, but I am not very good.
You do it for fun. That counts.
What do you do on weekends?
I go hiking every Saturday morning.
Hiking means walking in nature, yes?
Long walks through trails and open nature.
Sounds tiring, is it not?
That is the whole point, honestly.
I prefer sitting and painting. Much easier.
Do you have any other hobbies?
I read sometimes and cook new recipes.
We say trying out new recipes.
Trying out means experimenting with new things?
Testing something new, not just routine cooking.
Ah, so trying out is more adventurous?
Exactly. Makes it sound more interesting too.
You only hike? Nothing else weekends?
I play chess online sometimes at night.
Chess. That is very different from hiking.
Balance is important. Body, then brain.
Maybe I should try hiking one day.
Yes, and I will try painting sometime.
Deal, but I warn you, it is hard.
Harder than hiking 10 miles?
Okay, maybe equally hard.
The language class.
How was your first language class?
It was a lot to take in, honestly.
First classes always feel overwhelming. Very normal.
Overwhelming means too much at one time?
More than your brain can process comfortably, yes.
The teacher spoke very fast. I lost track.
We say, I could not keep up.
Ah, keep up means stay at same pace?
Follow along without falling behind. Exactly that.
And the other students, they were much better.
Everyone starts somewhere. Nobody is born fluent.
Fluent means speaking without stopping or hesitating?
Natural, smooth, and confident. No searching for words.
That feels very far away right now, honestly.
Did you understand anything from the class?
Some words, yes, but the grammar confused me.
Which part specifically gave you trouble?
The teacher said past perfect tense. My head hurts.
Oh, that one confuses everyone, even advanced students.
Really? Even advanced people struggle with that?
Absolutely. Do not worry about tenses just yet.
Then what should I focus on first?
Just understand and respond. Communication before perfection.
So speak first, worry about grammar later.
Exactly. Perfect grammar with no confidence helps nobody.
Okay, I feel little better about today now.
Good. Same time next week then?
Maybe if my brain recovers by then.
The morning commute.
You made it just in time.
I almost missed the train. Very close.
Welcome to the morning commute, Owen.
Commute means traveling to work daily?
Every morning, same journey, same time. Yes.
So many people here. Very overwhelming, honestly.
You get used to the rush hour crowds.
Rush hour? What does that mean?
The busiest time when everyone travels together.
Ah, everyone going work at same time.
Usually 7 to 9 in the morning.
And this card I have, what is it?
That is your transit card for paying fares.
Fare means the money for the journey?
Yes, you tap it entering and leaving.
What if I forget to tap out?
You get charged the maximum fare automatically.
Oh, I will never forget then. Never.
Everyone learns that lesson the hard way.
This train is very packed. Is it always like this?
Every single Monday morning, without fail.
Packed means completely full of people?
No space to move. Yes, exactly that.
In my country, we just say sardines.
Honestly, that is a perfect description.
Next stop is ours, yes?
Yes, get ready to squeeze through.
Squeeze through, my new favorite English phrase.
The coffee break.
Finn, want to grab a coffee?
Yes, please. I need one badly.
Rough morning already?
So many emails. I don't understand urgent.
Urgent means needs attention right now.
Ah, so not tomorrow. Immediately, yes?
Drop everything and handle it first.
Drop everything means stop all other work?
Yes, prioritize that one thing only.
And CC'd on email. What is that?
Someone added you to see the conversation.
So I must reply to that email?
Not always. Sometimes just for your information.
Ah, like keeping me in the loop.
Exactly. In the loop means kept informed.
I learned that phrase from my confused face.
Best way to learn, honestly.
This coffee machine is very complicated looking.
Just press the one that says Americano.
Americano is just black coffee, yes?
Espresso with hot water. Strong and simple.
Perfect. Strong coffee after urgent emails.
That is basically office survival, honestly.
Office survival. Is that a real phrase?
It should be. Someone should add it to dictionaries.
I will suggest that to my supervisor.
First day at work.
Welcome to your first day.
Thank you. I am very nervous, honestly.
Everyone is nervous on day one. Totally normal.
What does orientation mean? I saw it on email.
It is an introduction to your new workplace.
Ah, like learning the rules and the place.
Exactly. Where everything is, who everyone is.
And my supervisor, is that my boss?
Your direct boss, yes, the person above you.
What do I call him? By first name?
Here in the US, most workplaces are pretty casual.
Really? So I just say, "Hey, Mike"?
Pretty much, yes. Very different from formal cultures.
In my country, that would be very disrespectful.
Here, it shows you are comfortable and friendly.
What is probation period I saw in my contract?
A trial period. Company checks if you are a good fit.
Good fit means they decide if I can stay?
Yes, usually 3 months. Just do your best.
3 months. That is a lot of pressure.
Just ask questions. Nobody expects you to know everything.
And if I make a mistake, what do I say?
Just say, I apologize. I will fix that now.
I apologize. I will fix that now. Sounds professional.
See, you already sound like you belong here.
My English, yes, but my nerves, not yet.
Sharing childhood memories.
Connor, where did you grow up?
A small village back in my country.
A village, very different from Nashville then.
Very different. Maybe 200 people only.
That sounds like a very tight-knit community.
Tight-knit? What does that mean?
Everyone knows each other, very closely connected.
Yes, exactly my village. Perfect description, actually.
What was your childhood like there?
Very carefree. Just playing outside all day.
Carefree, meaning no worries at all?
Nothing on my mind. Just living freely then.
That sounds like a very different from adulting now, right?
Adulting? Is that a real word?
Slang for dealing with adult responsibilities.
Adulting is hard. Nobody warned me, honestly.
Any strong memory from childhood you remember?
My grandmother's cooking every Sunday without fail.
That sounds like a really fond memory.
Fond memory means something you remember lovingly?
Warm and happy feelings attached to it, yes.
Then yes, very fond memory indeed.
Those are the ones that stay forever.
You have fond memories too from childhood?
Mostly just avoiding homework, if I'm honest.
Same. Some things are universal, I think.
Meeting a new neighbor.
Oh, hello. You must be the new neighbor.
Yes, I just moved in. Yesterday, actually.
Welcome. I live just next door to you.
Next door means the flat beside mine?
Yes, we share this wall, basically.
Oh, I hope I'm not too noisy.
As long as it is not after midnight.
What is block? I see it on the door.
Block means a section of this building.
Ah, so block B is a different section?
Exactly. We are both in Block A.
And the landlord, who is that exactly?
The person who owns and rents this building.
So if something breaks, I call the landlord?
Yes. Say something in my flat needs fixing.
Oh, that is easy enough to say.
Also, we have a residents meeting every month.
Residents means people who live here?
Everyone in the building. We discuss shared problems.
Like, what kind of shared problems exactly?
Parking, noise, cleaning the shared areas.
Ah, shared areas means like this hallway here?
Yes, hallway, staircase, entrance. We all use them.
So many new words just from one hallway conversation.
Wait until the residents' meeting. Bring a dictionary.
Maybe I need 2 dictionaries for that.
A casual interview.
Jasley, your interview is tomorrow. Feeling ready?
Not really. I don't know what to expect.
It is described as casual, less formal interview.
Casual interview means no serious questions?
Still professional, but more relaxed conversation style.
Relaxed how? Like normal talking?
More like a conversation than question and answer.
What is the first thing they usually ask?
Almost always, tell me about yourself.
That question is so big. Where do I start?
Keep it brief. Name, background, why you are here.
My name is Lily. I have experience in...
Good start. Never go longer than 1 minute.
What does company culture mean? I saw it online.
How people work together inside the company.
Ah, the feeling and environment of the workplace.
Exactly. Some are formal, some very laid back.
Laid back means very relaxed and informal?
Casual dress, flexible hours, easy communication. Yes.
Should I ask them questions too?
Always. Shows you are genuinely interested in them.
Like, what kind of questions exactly?
Try, what does a typical day look like here?
What does a typical day look like here?
Perfect. Simple but very smart question, actually.
Interviews make me nervous, even casual ones, honestly.
Just remember they are hoping you do well too.
Really? They want me to succeed?
Nobody enjoys a painful, awkward interview, trust me.
Dreaming big.
Kate, what is your biggest dream?
I want to start my own business someday.
That is a big ambition. Really love that.
Ambition? I don't know that word.
A powerful goal you work hard towards.
Ah, like a dream but more serious?
With action behind it, not just wishing.
Sometimes it feels very far away, honestly.
We say it feels out of reach.
Out of reach. Like I cannot touch it yet?
Not impossible, just not close enough yet.
How do people actually start their own business?
First step is always having a clear vision.
Vision? Like seeing with eyes?
A clear picture of what you want to build.
My picture is clear, but my confidence is not.
That feeling is called self-doubt.
Self-doubt? Not believing in yourself?
Questioning your own abilities. Everyone experiences it.
Even successful people? They feel this too?
Every single one. They just push through it.
Push through means continue despite the fear?
Keep going, even when everything feels uncertain.
I like that phrase, push through. Sounds strong.
Small steps build big dreams, Kate.
Small steps meaning not everything at once?
One thing at a time, slow and steady.
My country has same saying, actually.
See? Dreaming big is truly universal.
Okay, first small step starts tomorrow then.
You did great today. Ready for more practice? Pick another video on the screen and keep learning with real English conversations.